family and friends, welcome to Asheville.
I got it.
We did it again!
Way to crush that glass.
Yeah, I was nervous.
We're here today to celebrate a truly special moment in the lives of my two best friends, Becca and Jack, as the two of you commit to a lifetime together, filled with love and partnership. While this wasn't the original date we planned to be here, we're incredibly honored to be here today to witness the beginning of your journey, the journey that you are about to embark on together.
Was it long ago? Am I talking myself in?
We mothers sometimes stand still so that our daughters can look back and see just, I'm gonna cry, see just how far they've come. And wow, Becca, have you ever come a long way?
Hi, baby. Want me to turn around? You ready? Oh my God. You're perfect. This is so perfect. Oh, what's this? Yeah, oh my God. Oh my God, I know it's gonna be so hard. This is so worth it.
Worth the wait? I promise to always make you laugh. I promise to work hard and do everything I can to provide for our future family. I promise to create a home with you that is filled with love, empathy, and respect for others. I promise to celebrate all of the little wins with you and to stand by your side when things get difficult. I promise to overthink everything, as always, but never to overthink my love or my loyalty to you, every version of you. I promise to let you choose the restaurant at least 25% of the time. And I promise to be your closest confidant, your strongest advocate, just as you have always been mine. It is the greatest privilege to be your partner, to build a family with you, and to grow old with you. I could live this life over and over and never grow tired of sitting by your side. I love you always and always.
Oh, I was never wandering on my own. I still remember walking. I knew you'd be the one to let me know. I still remember talking. Though I was never wandering on my own, I still remember.
I promise to never ask you to change who you are, because I love the person you are and the person that you'll become. I promise to keep learning from you, even if I have a hard time accepting when I'm wrong. I'm going to hold myself accountable, and I'm always going to be compromising. I promise to never move us away from your family, because I know that your heart will always be wherever they are, and it doesn't hurt that Chicago and Asheville are amazing. I promise to keep fighting for us to have more, even when I'm tired, because I want you to have everything this life has to offer. And I vow to love you fiercely and passionately, with everything I have, for now and forever. And I'll never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, and I'm going to choose you every day. And I love you.
Beautiful, sweetie. I love you. You look so beautiful.
Please rise.
Jack worked so hard on planning this wedding, and every detail has been considered and thought out. And their reward is we want you to have a great night, and that means y'all are gonna have to be on this dance floor.
Take it easy. No point running with your head in the clouds. Take it easy, and nothing can bring you down. All on the way up. Yeah, we're all on the way up. Take it easy, and nothing can bring you down.
I, Jack, give Becca this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love.
Becca.
I, Becca, give you, Jack, this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love.
It was mentioned last night that a lasting relationship happens when you marry your best friend. We would know. And we 100% agree. We are so happy that Jack has found his best friend, and we are so happy to have Rebecca as a sister. We hope you two have a lifetime of happiness.
We love you.
Take it easy. No point running with your head in the clouds. Take it easy, and nothing can bring you down. All on the way up. Yeah, we're all on the way up. Take it easy, and nothing can bring you down. 'Cause I can't beat the feeling, but I take it easy.
Jack, I know that growing old with Becca will be just as fun as growing up with her was. It has been a privilege to be one of your fans on the sidelines, watching and learning from you too. And whenever you need me, just know I will always be in your corner, cheering you guys on. Let's all toast to forever, because forever will never feel long enough with the right people.
Before these witnesses, you both have pledged to be joined in marriage. By the power vested in me by the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you